Hello, Nat and Lex have decided to make more videos and ask random questions. The first question is, how do you get rid of hiccups? We all know that you can hold your breath to get rid of them, but is there any other ways? That is all right now. Leave your answer in your comment, and peace.